Okay, I have leftover chocolate cake layers, leftover frosting, plain vanilla, and I want to make a cake. So it's snowing outside, perfect weather for a peppermint hot chocolate, my favorite kind of hot chocolate, but why not make that into a cake? You most likely have leftover candy canes, right? So let's do it. I'll show you how I put this all together. Better? Okay, let's start with, I've got my leftover frosting. So I've got that in a bowl here. I had it in the freezer. It is good to go. I'm going to mix in some mint extract, peppermint and mint it says. I just picked this up. Now how much do I want to put in? I don't know. I don't want it tasting like toothpaste, so just a little. We'll mix that in, see how it tastes. Shall we? Let's taste it. I can use more. I mean, I'm a fan of mint, so let's do a little bit more. I think that's gonna be enough there. You know what? No, needs more. Let's see. I think we're there. Okay. Let's put this together. I have my cake layers. I froze them. I wrapped them in saran, and I will try to reuse the saran wrap. Let's assemble this cake. Scoop a little, make a little ridge. Not necessary, but that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to add in some of this chocolate ganache. And will these melt? Who knows? I will at the end of this video once I've tried some. Okay. Should I add more chocolate? Should there be more? Let's do more. Next cake layer. If you did this with a piping bag, you'd like for sure get the same amount of frosting in between layers, but I want one less thing to have to clean. Keeping it real. That's good. Let's add more chocolate. Yeah, last time I just did a drizzle, so we're going a little inconsistent. Sprinkle in some of the candy cane. And then, what do I have here? And now just doing a crumb coat. Crumb coat, doodaloo. She's leaning. Okay, doesn't need to be perfect. It's a crumb coat after all. Is that straight? I don't know. Put this in the freezer. don't know. I should have stopped earlier. We're just gonna do that. Oh, there's a spot. You know what? It's okay. There's a spot here. It's okay. I'm gonna cover it with chocolate. We'll see how that drip goes. Is that a good drip? Good drip. I think those drips work. That's very hot chocolatey. Now I just want to use up all the hot chocolate, or all this chocolate that I have, because why save it, right? There, a little chocolate. I just want to do a bunch of mix mash. Right, a little hot chocolatey action. Sprinkle. Should I put some down along the bottom? Yes, yes. I'm gonna put them along the base, like this. I like it. I like it. Here we go. I should cut a slice. Okay, let's slice it. Let's give this cake a taste. It's got the mint, chocolate. I like it. Yeah, that's good. Eric's awake. You can't have cake yet. If you want to see how I made that chocolate cake and the frosting, you can go to my previous video on coconut, the Bounty Bar cake. And planning on making more cakes in the new year. Bye.